Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can get Cypher Code for Hamster Kombat, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened the Hamster Kombat, which is basically a mini app or mini game of the Telegram. So now once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Hamster Kombat apps on the screen. So now to get a Cypher code for Hamster Kombat, you can see there is a daily cipher in here. Let me tap on that first, which is at the right side of this daily reward. So once you tap on the daily cipher, you can see you will be able to earn up to $1 million coin of Hamster Kombat. So now you cannot see any kind of option in here to claim or to get a Cypher code in here. So what you basically can do is you can see there is a settings option at the top right corner. So you need to tap on that settings icon. So once you do that, you simply need to tap on this privacy policy. So once you tap on the privacy policy, just tap on the S, and now you'll be redirected to the official page of the Hamster Kombat, where you can see there is a join us button at the top left corner of this page. So there is a two option in here, Telegram, and another one is X. So you need to select the X in here. So once you do that, you will be redirected to the official X page of this Hamster Kombat. And now let's scroll a little bit down, and you can see there is a pinned. So you basically need to search in the comment box. So I am not logged in yet. So yeah, basically once you tap on the search box, you'll be able to get a Cypher code, or you can also get a combo in there as well. So basically you will be able to get all the treasures in the comment of this official page of this Hamster Kombat in here. So basically this is how you can get Cypher code for Hamster Kombat. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.